Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. I am David.
And hi, everyone. I am Alice. We are so happy to meet you again today.
Today, we have a topic that is very close to everyone's heart. We are going to learn how to talk about your family in English.
Oh, family. Family is such a wonderful topic, David. Everyone loves talking about their parents, brothers, sisters, and children.
Yes, and before we begin our journey into family words, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel.
Immediate family. That means the people who live with you or are closest to you, like your parents, brothers, and sisters.
Right. First, let us look at the word parents. Parents means your mother and father together.
Repeat with us. Parents.
For your mother, you can say mother, or more casually, mom or mum.
I always call my mother Mom. It sounds very sweet and warm.
And for your father, you can say father, or casually, dad.
Let us practice asking a simple question about parents. David, how do you ask someone about their parents?
You can ask, where do your parents live?
Where do your parents live? Say it slowly with us. Where do your parents live?
My parents live in a small, quiet town near the beach. What about your parents, Alice?
My parents live in a big city. My mom loves shopping, and my dad loves the city parks.
That sounds lovely. Now, what if you want to ask how old someone's father or mother is?
You can ask, how old is your father? Or, how old is your mom?
Let us repeat that slowly. How old is your father?
How old is your father? Great practice.
Now let us talk about your brothers and sisters.
In English, there is a special word for brothers and sisters together. Do you know it, David?
Yes, the word is sibling. Sibling means a brother or a sister.
Siblings. Many beginners do not know this word, but it is super useful.
Instead of asking, do you have any brothers or sisters, you can ask, do you have any siblings?
Wow, that is so much shorter and easier. Let us say it together. Do you have any siblings?
Do you have any siblings?
David, do you have any siblings?
Yes, I do. I have one older brother and one younger sister.
Ooh, older brother and younger sister. Notice how David used the words older and younger?
Yes. If your brother was born before you, he is your older brother or elder brother.
And if your sister was born after you, she is your younger sister or little sister.
Exactly. What about you, Alice? Do you have any siblings?
No, I do not. I am an only child.
An only child. That means a person who has no brothers and no sisters.
Yes. Repeat that useful phrase with us. I am an only child.
I am an only child. So Alice got all the toys when she was little.
Yes, no sharing toys for me. It was great.
Now, how do we describe our family size? Is your family big or small?
To talk about size, you can say, I have a big family, or I have a small family.
Simple and direct. Let us repeat. I have a big family.
I have a small family.
You can also state the exact number of people in your family.
For example, there are 4 people in my family.
Or, there are 5 of us in my family.
Let us break that down. There are 4 people in my family.
There are 4 people in my family.
What if someone asks, who do you live with?
Good question. You can answer, I live with my parents, or I live with my wife and children.
Or if you live alone, I live by myself, or I live alone.
Living alone means peace and quiet. Living with a big family means lots of fun and noise.
Yes, big families always have so much delicious food at dinner time.
Let us move to the next part of family vocabulary, marriage and children.
If you are married, your partner is either your husband or your wife.
For a man, husband. For a woman, wife.
And together, you are a married couple.
If someone asks, are you married? How can you answer, Alice?
If you are married, you say, yes, I am married.
If you are not married, you can say, no, I am single. Or, No, I am not married yet.
Let us repeat those options slowly. Yes, I am married.
No, I am single.
Now, what about children?
For children, a boy is a son and a girl is a daughter.
Son and daughter. Repeat after me. Son, daughter.
You can ask someone, do you have any children? Or do you have kids?
Kids is a very common friendly word for children.
If you have 2 boys and 1 girl, you say, I have 2 sons and 1 daughter.
Let us repeat that. I have 2 sons and 1 daughter.
And if you have no kids, you simply say, I do not have any children yet. Now, Alice, let us look outside the home to our extended family.
Extended family. That includes your grandparents, uncles, aunts, and cousins.
Let us start with grandparents. Your mother's mother or father's mother is your grandmother or grandma.
And your mother's father or father's father is your grandfather or grandpa.
Together, they are your grandparents.
Grandparents are the best because they always give you treats and sweets.
That is so true, Alice. My grandma always cooked the best food for me.
Now, what about your parents' brothers and sisters?
Your father's brother or mother's brother is your uncle.
And your father's sister or mother's sister is your aunt.
Repeat those 2 words with us. Uncle, aunt.
And what do we call the children of your uncle or aunt?
We call them your cousins. Cousin is the same for both boys and girls.
Ah, that makes it so easy. No need for different words, just cousin.
Let us practice asking, do you see your cousins often?
Do you see your cousins often?
Yes, we meet every holiday. Alice, let us talk about some common mistakes beginners make when talking about family.
Oh yes, correcting simple errors give our learners so much confidence.
Mistake number 1, saying, I have 25 years old.
Ah yes, in many languages people say I have years, but in English we use the verb to be.
Exactly. You must say, I am 25 years old, or my brother is 30 years old.
Never say I have 25 years. Always say I am 25 years old. Repeat. I am 25 years old. Mistake number 2. Confusing parents with relatives. Oh, in some languages, parents sounds like relatives. Yes, remember, parents means only your mother and father. Relatives means all the people in your family line. Uncles, aunts, cousins, grandparents.
Right. So if you mean uncles and cousins, say, I am visiting my relatives.
And mistake number 3, saying, I have a brother big.
In English, adjectives come before the noun. So you say, I have an older brother, or I have a big family.
Adjective first, big family, not family big. That is a great rule to remember.
Time for our fun, interactive quiz. Let us test what you have learned today.
Yay! Listen carefully to the descriptions and guess the correct family word.
Question 1. Your mother's sister. Who is she to you?
Is she A, your aunt, or B, your cousin?
3, 2, 1.
The answer is A, your aunt. Your mother's sister is your aunt.
Question 2. A child who has no brothers and no sisters. What do we call them?
Is it A, an sibling, or B, an only child?
3, 2, 1.
The answer is B, an only child. Excellent job.
Question 3. Your father and your mother together. What word do we use?
Is it A, parents, or B, relatives?
3, 2, 1.
The answer is A, parents. You are all doing so well today.
Let us review all our key family phrases one last time so you can memorize them easily.
Listen carefully and repeat out loud after David and me.
Number 1. There are 4 people in my family.
There are 4 people in my family.
Number 2. Do you have any siblings?
Do you have any siblings?
Number 3. I have an older brother and a younger sister.
I have an older brother and a younger sister.
Number 4. I am an only child.
I am an only child.
Number 5. Where do your parents live?
Where do your parents live?
Number 6. My grandmother cooks delicious food.
My grandmother cooks delicious food.
Outstanding work, everyone. Your English pronunciation is getting better every day.
Talking about family in English is such a great way to start friendly conversations.
Yes, the next time you meet someone new, you can ask them about their family with total confidence.
Now we have our favorite part of the video, our community question for you.
Tell us in the comments below, how many people are there in your family? And do you have any brothers or sisters?
We read every single comment, and we love learning about your lives.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends.
Thank you so much for practicing English with us today. Have a beautiful day with your family.
Goodbye, everyone. See you in our next lesson.